Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to display, alter and delete a group in Tally. In last video we have seen how to create the group using single mode and as well as the multiple mode also. In the same way we have seen how to create it in normal mode and even in the advanced mode also. Even we have seen the configuration also. Right now let's see how to display a group in Tally. Displaying a group, we can display the groups either in single mode or multiple mode. As the name itself indicates here, display. We can display the group. We can see the contents. We can read the contents. But Tally will not allow the user to edit, modify, change, alter or update information in display mode. And down we can see here the path is given. Single mode, multiple mode. Means how to go for the display. When we see the path of single and multiple, both are same. Only we have to go for single mode section and multiple mode section. Coming to the path, we have to begin from the gateway of Tally, masters, accounts info, group, display, and this is under the single group, and the same is for the multiple also, but here we have to go for multiple group section. Okay, I just complete all the slides of display, alter and delete, and later I'll be switching back to the Tally to show you practically. Now we will see how to alter a group. We can alter the groups in both the mode, that is in single mode and as well as the multiple mode, by selecting alter option from the groups menu. Okay, once that is selected, then we can go either we can select single or multiple. In case of alter, we can edit, we can modify, we can do the changes for any information. In the same way, even we can disable advanced features also. See, default display will be, default creation will be normal mode. In the same way, we can do the configuration and we can change it to advanced features also. In the same way, in case of alter, we can disable the advanced features also. Even we can change the name of any reserved group. A reserved group indicates here what? It is nothing but a predefined group or a built-in group, but its features, but its characteristics will remain same. Down we can see here the path is given, that is for single mode and as well as for the multiple mode. The path will remain same, only we have to select for which mode, whether we have to go for single or whether we have to go for the multiple mode. Suppose if we have to change only for one group, in that case we can go for single. Suppose if we have to do the changes for a list of groups, in that case we can go for the multiple mode. Okay, the path will begin from gateway of Tally, masters, accounts info, group, alter, and this will go under the single group, and this will go for the under the multiple groups section. Before I just proceed to the next slide, I would like to add here one more point. We cannot change the parent of a group for bank or bank OCC, cash, sundry debtor or sundry creditors and purchase account after voucher entry for them. What this indicates? Think that we have done the creation of a ledger and that ledger is allocated to one of the 28 predefined group, and that ledger is used in the voucher and it is already recorded. Think that we have to do some changes or modifications for the parent of a group. In that case, for all these groups, whatever I have mentioned, bank, bank OCC, cash, sundry debtors, creditors, here we cannot do the changes once it is already used in the voucher. Right now, let's proceed to the next one. Deleting a group. Groups can be deleted only in alter mode because in Tally we don't have any delete option. We can delete only using the alter option, that too in the single mode. Down we can see here the path is given. This will begin from gateway of Tally, masters, accounts info, groups, then single mode, and here we have to select for alter. Only in alter option, single mode, we can go for deleting. And here we can see here or text, we cannot delete. We cannot delete groups under the multiple mode. It is only possible using the single mode. Then select the group to be deleted. We will be having the listing, just we have to select that one. Once it is opened, then here we have to make use of a shortcut key, that will be Alt plus D. D indicates here delete. Then later click enter button to confirm and then press Y from the keyboard. We have a note also. We cannot delete reserved or predefined or built-in groups or a group having subgroups or ledgers under it. And here it is mentioned that we cannot delete reserved or predefined or built-in groups. This indicates that the 28 groups which is provided by the Tally, that we cannot delete. Whether it is primary groups 15 or 13 subgroups, that we cannot delete. We can delete only user defined group which is created by the user, only that one we can delete. Think that if any ledger is allocated to that particular group, in that case also we cannot delete. We have to delete first the lower level, that is first we have to delete the ledger, then only we can go for deleting the user defined group, not the predefined or built-in or reserved group. One more thing, suppose if the ledger is used in the voucher, in that case also we cannot delete. First we have to delete the voucher, then delete the ledger, then we have to go for deleting the user defined group. Now we will see the practical part of display, alter and delete in Tally. Now we will see practically how to display, alter and delete a group in Tally. We will begin from the gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally, masters. Under masters we have accounts info, right? Just click on this one. This will take us to accounts info menu and here comes out with the groups. Just click on this one. This will take us to groups menu and here we have single mode and multiple groups mode, right? Right now we will go back to single. We will see display and display in multiple mode. Okay, single, let's go for display and here we can see here D is in red color. We can either press the letter D or we can even click on the display also. Just click on this one. Okay, we can see here the list of groups are available. We can select, I just select here for administrative expenses, right? That will be opened, right? Can we see here any cursor pointer? No. We can just display, we can read the contents. Here we cannot do any editing or modification, right? Okay, to come out, just press here escape, right? We will be back. The same way we can see even for bank accounts, right? It is a predefined group, right? The same way escape once. Let's see here for current liabilities. Then escape, duties and taxes, right? Escape once, then debtors south, right? Okay, escape. We will be back to groups menu. Just press here once again, escape, again escape. We will be back to groups menu. Right now we will see display in multiple mode. Just click on this one. This will take us to multiple mode. We can go for all items. Okay, I just select here for all items. We can see here the list, correct? List of predefined groups, list of user defined groups also. Right? Here also we cannot do any editing or modification. Escape once back, right? Suppose if we have to select for a particular sundry debtors, let's go back to sundry debtors. Okay, press here enter key. Okay, under sundry debtors group, we can see here the list of user defined group. Got it? Right? Okay. Once again, escape. Let's select for sundry creditors. Right? We can see here the listing. Right? Okay. Escape. In the same way, we will go back to indirect expenses. Right? We can see here. Correct? Then escape. Again, once again, escape. Once again escape, we will be back to the groups menu, correct? Before I just proceed to the next option, that is alter, in case of multiple mode, here we can see here display the second letter I is in red color. This indicates that either we can click on display or else we can use the letter I, that is a shortcut key to go for display in multiple mode. Right now we will be back here with the single mode, and here we will go back to alter. In case of alter, either we can click on alter or else we can use the shortcut key, that is letter A, because here letter A is in red color. Just click on this one and here we will see the list of groups. Out of the list we can select here for the one of the group, that is I just take here the user defined group, wages. Right, I have just typed here the starting letter, the wages has come down here. Just select for this one. Right, and this will take us to group alteration screen or window. In this window, we can display, we can edit, we can modify, we can alter, change, update, all these things can be done. And even we can see the cursor pointer is also available, correct? Okay, I just do here wages 1. Okay, some change I have done here. Then alias will be blank, remaining things will be same, and later we can see here a small screen will come down. Accept question mark yes or no. We will do the changes. Just click on S. Right, the changes is done. We can see here there is a change. Earlier it was wages, right now it is wages 1. To come back to the groups menu, just click on escape. Once again escape, this will take us to groups menu. And right now we will go back to multiple groups, and here we will go back to alter. Just click on this one. Right, and here we can see the letter T is in red color. Right, okay, either we can press the letter T or else we can just click on the alter. Correct? Yes, okay, and here we will select here for sundry debtors. Correct, select for sundry debtors. I have just typed here first 2 letters. And here we can see in the list only those things are in bold, correct? We can select here for sundry debtors, enter, right? Right now we can see here the list of user defined group, and here we will do here the changes. Instead of east, I just make it here E. Right, enter, Next one, this will be for north. Okay, instead of north we will make it here debtors N. The next one is for south. Correct, here instead of south we will make it here S. Then in the same way for the west, only W is kept, right? And here we can see at the bottom right hand side accept question mark. Then to have the changes, press Y from the keyboard or just click on the S, right? To come back to the groups menu, escape. Once again escape, we will be back here. We have seen both the modes, that is single and multiple. In single mode, in one single screen or window, we can alter only one group at a time. But whereas in case of multiple, what has happened? We can alter or we can do the changes for list of groups in one single screen or in one single window at a time. Right now we will go back to the last one, that is how to delete. Delete option is not available in Tally, but delete can be done only using single mode alter. Using multiple it is not possible. Only using single alter we can delete. I just go back to alter. Right now we will select here for wages 1, right? Then here we have to make use of a shortcut key, that will be Alt and D. B for delete. Delete question mark yes or no will come. Either we can press Y from the keyboard or we can just click on S. Correct, that is deleted. Right now we will delete here for debtors east, Alt D. Delete question mark, press Y from the keyboard. Correct. The same way for west, Alt D, press Y from the keyboard or just click on S. Correct. We have seen practically how to display, alter and delete a group in Tally. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. In the next video, we are going to see how to create the ledgers or the account heads in Tally.